and welcome to yet another episode of Be Better Bit by Bit, a unique personal transformation platform. Friends, my name is Nishit Goyal and I am the creator of this platform. I sincerely hope that you all are staying at home during this lockdown period and using and utilizing the time to work plus to have fun as well as making small improvements each day in your life. Friends, whether this lockdown is going to stay with us or no, working from home is the new reality of our lives. A lot of you must have enjoyed this phase of your life till now, and a lot of us are still struggling to cope with this new challenge. My heart goes out to the health workers, the policemen, the migrant laborers, and all the people who are helping this world to come out of this pandemic. The bitter truth of this pandemic is that we might not get back our normal life ever. Masks, hand sanitizers, social distancing, not going outside too much of our homes. These are going to be part of our life, and so do work from home. I am spending a lot of my time at home, working for home and working from home. During this time, I have realized that it's essential to stay productive and adjust to the changes offered by this pandemic. If we are not agile at this time, this pandemic might cause a lot more harm than it has already done. Even if the lockdown ends, we all are going to spend a lot of our time at home. Hence, we must get used to this lifestyle fast and start being not only productive but super productive. I am doing a lot of experiments with my daily schedule, a few successes, a few failures, but things are falling in place. There are a few things that are a non negotiable part of my work from home schedule, and they are yielding me beautiful results. In this episode, I would like to share a few of those experiments with you which has worked for me. I hope they will help you stay on the course and adjust fast to this new work from home lifestyle. Okay, so let me start. First, schedule your sleep. Yes, very simple. If you want to be super productive, sleep is going to be your biggest tool during this new way of life. Anything less than 7 hours and anything more than 8 hours is not right. So manage your sleep very well. Stick to a fixed sleep schedule. See, if you are at home, it does not mean that you can have luxury and liberty to sleep at 12 a.m. or 1 a.m. each night, doing binge watching or be on your social media, etc. So let me ask you, how many hours are you investing on television right now? Can you spare 10% of that time and add to your sleeping hours? That will do a lot good to you. The effects of lockdown are going to last for a very, very long time, and you can't keep this late night schedule going for long. We have to change, we have to be agile at this stage. If you are sleeping late, you are waking up late, or you are compromising on your sleep. In both these cases, your productivity is getting impacted. So my advice is sleep early and sleep at the same time each day. Wake up early and wake up at the same time each day. Yes, it might not be easy at the initial stage, but it's not difficult also. Once you set your schedule, you will automatically feel a lot more productive during your day. Remember, the chances of you succeeding in setting up a proper sleep schedule depends strictly on your screen time. You need to be very, very strict and disciplined with your smartphone and TV addiction. Don't let them grab your attention. Your attention needs your attention. Let's start trying to adapt to this new sleep schedule from today. I am happy to take your comments, your feedback. Tell me if there is something which you are doing in your new way of work from home lifestyle. I will try my best to get back to your queries and your comments. Now, moving on to my second piece of advice: exercise, physical exercise. The most basic and straightforward advice people can give you to be more productive during these times, and I'm also doing the same. But I want to speak about one very important element attached to your morning physical exercises, and that's what I'm going to stress upon right now, and that's sunlight. See, the lockdown is helping us stay away from the tiring commute time, and hence you can easily spend this time getting as much sun as you can. The resultant vitamin D will ensure a fantastic boost to your overall wellness. Get as much morning sun as possible. Also, make sure when you are doing your exercises, move each and every part of your body. Flex your hands, your legs, your back, your head. Move around as much as you can. Bring your heart rate up. Don't target big. As soon as the signs of that first sweat arrives, you can simply stop. Done for the day. The saving of the commute time is a huge plus coming out from this new work from home regime. Be strict with this saving and use it to your advantage. Make small shifts and improvements in your schedule. Remember that small efforts bring consistency. And when these two elements, that is small and consistency, they come together, they bring significant results. And that's what the philosophy of the Be Better Bit by Bit platform is: small and consistent improvements. Now, moving on to my third and final advice for this episode: have a schedule, build a plan. Don't wake up and face the day without being clear about what you wish to achieve during the day. As I said, our commute time is off. In all probability, the lockdown has taught you to invest this saving in yourself. You're already doing that. But plan it. Plan this self time so that at the end of the day, once your work from home hours are through, you have satisfaction and happiness that you have done your best. You can plan and schedule your day in any form. Make a to-do list, make a not to-do list, but it's important to have a broad structure to your day. If you have some long calls or urgent meetings suddenly, modify your plans accordingly so that you should not be feeling guilty about not finishing things off. And that's why I always rely on small and consistent improvements in my life. When I draw my plan, I make sure that my agenda has small items in it and I am consistent with those elements. Your schedule should be practical and should not have a significant and broad goals. As the philosophy of this platform, as I said earlier, always target small and be consistent with those small improvements. Friends, there is a lot more you can do in your day to stay productive. I will be happy if you can share with me whatever you are doing in your life to stay active and productive. Please share your comments below. In the next episode, I will talk about a few more experiments which I am trying on myself that can help you stay fit and productive while adapting and adjusting to this new world order. Till then, stay home, stay safe, stay healthy, and keep making small improvements in your lives. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more such exciting content on self transformation. You can also listen to our podcast, Be Better Bit by Bit, and 10 Bullets, 100 Words book summary. They are available on various streaming platforms like Spotify, Spreaker, Google Podcast, etc. You can also follow the Be Better Bit by Bit platform on Facebook, on LinkedIn, on Instagram, and once again, make sure you keep making small improvements each day. Let's catch up in the next episode. Till then, bye bye. Take care.